Relaunching this year after closing in 2016, One Industries has signed a new rider, and that is the reigning Supercross and Motocross Rookie of the Year, Julien Beaumer, on the Red Bull almost said Red Bull Gas. That's not right. Red Bull KTM ride. Now, obviously, pretty good signing for them. I mean, if you're gonna go for somebody, go for the young up and coming guy who obviously has shown some talent. He's going to be, who knows how long this deal is for, but if you can get in there early and you can, you know, keep him, well, not keep him, but like get in there early and build a relationship with him, you might be able to keep him for a long time. You know, be one of the the companies who, like Cooper Webb and Thor, who stayed together for forever. Now, obviously, who knows how long this will last? It could be a 1 year deal, 2 year deal. They could fold again or quit, whatever it is, who knows? But it's obviously not a bad thing for him. You know, he's going to get probably a pretty good paycheck out of it. And if you're the team, you're the company, well, it's not a bad signing. He's a pretty big name, young kid, and get in there early. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Comments down below. What do you think of it? Do you think he should have stayed with the company he was with? What do you expect from A1? Who's going to be racing? Who do you expect to win? Are you as bored with the offseason as I am? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.